In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the autocomplete email addresses file in Outlook. If you've ever felt the frustration of losing your email contact suggestions while typing in Outlook, you'll want to know how to recover or simply access this file. Don't worry, it's a fairly simple process, and I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring you can easily retrieve or view your autocomplete data. Let's start by using a handy keyboard shortcut. You'll begin by pressing the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This combination will open up the Run dialog box, a small window that you can use to directly access programs, folders, documents, or websites without having to navigate through menus or search bar results. It's a powerful little tool often used for quick file access. Once you have the Run dialog open, it's time to type in a specific path. That path is run local app data percent Microsoft plata Outlook plat Rome cache. This might look like a string of technical jargon, but it's quite straightforward once you break it down. What you're doing here is telling your computer to look within the local application data of your profile for specific Outlook settings and cache files. This path leads directly to the location on your computer where Outlook stores temporary data, including our target, the autocomplete file. After you've typed the path into the Run dialog, simply press Enter. This command will take you directly to the specified folder within File Explorer. Think of it as an express route to where Outlook caches certain data, which is not normally visible or easily accessible without knowing the path. Now that you've reached the folder, your next step is to locate a file that starts with stream autocomplete, followed by a series of characters and ending in .dat. The presence of multiple files with similar names is possible, especially if you've used Outlook for a significant amount of time, but these identifiers help distinguish between different autocomplete lists in case of multiple profiles or instances. Once you find this file, you've reached the crucial point in our process. This .date file is your store of autocomplete email addresses. Opening or editing it directly is not recommended unless you have a specific tool or a complete understanding of what you're doing, as this can tamper with the functionality or your stored data. However, knowing its location is essential for backup or migration purposes, should you wish to transfer these autocomplete lists to another system or restore them if accidentally deleted. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to locate the autocomplete email addresses file in Outlook. As always, be cautious when handling these kinds of files, as they contain important information. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.